Hey, what's going on, man? It's your boy LD, aka Firm Handshake.
Hi everyone, and welcome to another edition of How to Cook for People Who Can't Cook. I'm your host, Matt Solomon. After learning how to make a turkey sandwich, it's really helpful to learn how to make the next great meal, cereal. Today, as we learn how to make cereal, you're going to really need a couple of very different ingredients. To start with, you're going to need a bowl. It can be various sizes, just enough to put some cereal and some milk in there. Matthew, what type of cereal should we be buying? The good news is there's no right answer. You can really buy whatever tickles your fancy, whatever your palate really enjoys. There's no right answer here. Today, what I'm going to use is this brand new Cheerios Oat Crunch Oats and Honey. There's a lot going on here. This is a brand new cereal that I would highly recommend. Choose what kind of milk you want. Now, the good news is, again, there's no right answer here. Some people like 1%, 2%, whole milk. There's people who buy vitamin D added to their milk, which, to be fair, I don't think anybody actually knows what that milk is for or who it's intended for. For me personally, I like to use Silk almond milk. The reason why I use Silk is that this lasts longer in your fridge than any dairy milk, so it's less likely to go bad. All of your key ingredients, you're going to want to open up the box and pour the right amount of cereal in here, which I think you don't want to overflow it. You don't want cereal to be overflowing, so you want to go just not quite up to the rim because you want to make sure that you leave a little bit of room for the milk. You want to close the box back up. Now here's really where you're going to make your money, is in the milk pouring, okay? Now you're going to want to really spread it out over the top of your cereal, okay? Like so. You're going to want to really cover as much surface area as you can here. Once you see a little bit of rise in the cereal, that's when you know you're done. Now that you've poured your cereal, you're going to take a spoon. You're going to want to get a nice, good spoonful in there. Another successful meal.
Can't you